or Bloom Chic. It's either Bloom Chic or Bloom Cheek, one or two. And this one also has Buzz It. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Andrea Racquel and welcome to my channel. So I know it's been a hot minute since I came at y'all with a haul, I know, but I'm looking like, you know what, it's getting hot outside, so it's definitely time to update y'all on a new haul. Probably gonna be a mini one right now. If I do end up getting, you know, more items later down the summer, then I'll come back with a huge one, but this one's gonna be kind of a mini one. I got some different items from different places, and then I got some items from the same places y'all know I be shopping at. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just hop into this haul. Item that I want to show you guys is this new dress that I got. I think it was cute for summertime. You know, it's a pretty, you know, pastel-y kind of color. When I saw this on the site, I just fell in love with it. This is from Bloom Chic. Got this in a size, I want to say 1X, yeah, 1XL. It was on their site, and Bloom Chic caters to plus size women. Pretty much plus size friendly store. So I got this in a 1X, and it comes all the way down. As you can see, has a slit on the side here. She also is tall girl friendly. She's very stretchy material, as you can see. Easy everyday kind of, you know, outfit. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. Real cute, you know. She was a good deal, and everything on their site as well is affordable. Definitely check out Bloom Chic because they really got some cute stuff for us girls, period. The dress that I got was from Forever 21. Y'all know I love me some Forever 21, especially their online store, but I had to cop it once I saw this dress. It's kind of the same similar style as the purple one, but instead of it being short sleeve, it's long sleeve. It also has buttons going down in the middle, and it's also got like this ruched, you know, effect going on in the front. Definitely looks pleasing to the eye on you as well, especially if you're a tall girl like, you know, me here. I copped her for a good deal. She's in a 1X as well, as you can see. Now, she is a little more form-fitting than the purple one, but for the most part, I still love her because she still gives body, you feel me? I need more color, you know, so. Okay, so the next piece I have is this two-piece that I also got from Bloom Chic, like marble pattern, I guess you could call it. Two-piece in a size, I believe this is a 1X as well. See, the skirt has ruching at the bottom with the little tassels on the sides, and then it has the kind of crop top to match, but I liked it because it's different from what I have in my closet. I actually wore this to Vegas. If y'all watch my Vegas vlog, y'all would have saw me had it on. Let's definitely check out Bloom Chic or Bloom Chic if y'all want to get some of these cute little deals, because I'm telling y'all, the piece I found is similar to the yellow, but it's more solid versus a pattern. So it's got like the bottom half, of course, with the ruche effect in the middle, and it has a tassel, but it's in the middle, and then the top spaghetti strap crop top, and it's very cropped. So kind of struggled with the top a little bit. I mean, it covers, but with this top I noticed you don't really have to have a bra underneath. You can wear one if you want, but it kind of fits like a bra low-key. It fits like a sports bra, but if you want that extra, you know, support, you can put one under, like a strapless bra underneath. Also with the skirt too, it's very see-through. I'm not gonna lie, it is very see-through, very light the material, but I mean, you can probably get away with not wearing underwear if you really wanted to, but to your own discretion, it's up to you. But I got this from Forever 21 as well, and this was, I believe, a 1X. Let me just double check. No, a 2X. I think I went with a 2X. I went with a size up because of the top. If you're trying to be on a hot girl summer tip, this is definitely the outfit for you because it doesn't really require a bra or underwear. If you don't want to, again, it's at your own discretion, but just to let you know, that's what the top's going to show as well. So again, I was trying to get more of like spring summery colors, so I ended up copping this cute little button-up tops from Charlotte Russe. So it has like the buttons at the bottom, lettuce, I think, effect. And then it also comes with like this little crop top underneath it to give it like that little cardigan with a top matchy effect, you know, that Y2K vibe. And it also fits kind of like how the white one fit from my two-piece from Forever 21. It's very much a tight-fitted crop top, very, very cropped. So if you are a busty girl, you know, you may not need to wear a bra underneath, but again, if you want, it's to your own discretion. Size extra large. I usually go with the biggest sizes for Charlotte Russe just to make sure, because you know I'm busty, so I need to make sure I got that room. I believe only $5 on their website. Definitely check out Charlotte Russe online because they definitely do be having some hidden gems on there, so definitely keep an eye out on them, and they be having hella deals. So definitely, like I said, trying to save some coin. I have another top that I actually did get from Forever 21. It's this lace kind of crop top as well. I just thought it was cute, and I don't have really like any lace tops or anything lace really in my closet. I went with the 1X, and the 1X fits really well. I like that it also has like this kind of bra lining on it so that it kind of can map out where the breasts are supposed to sit. So I just thought it was really cute. Crop top, you know, just something cute to add to your bottoms. I have is just two again. So the one pair I want to show off are these pants that I got from H&M. When I saw these, I said I have to have them. They're kind of like this low-key zebra print. They also have pockets, which we love. Y'all know I'm a pockets girl. I gotta have me some pockets, honey. Size extra large from H&M. But they're definitely breathable, fun to throw on. You can wear them up, you can wear them down, however you want to go. And I got those in store. I didn't get them online. I never have an issue H&M in store. They always come through for me in store. I got another pair of linen pants, and these are actually from Bloom Cheek or Bloom Chick as well. And I like that you have like this little tie in the front, you know. Try to give it a little more personality. Zipper in the back, but then once you zip it up in the back, you could tie it in the front to adjust it, you know, if you wanted to fit a little tighter. They have slits on the sides, of course. And I love that about these because, again, these are kind of getting that Y2K vibe open so you can show off some leg, you know. They're in a 2X because I just wanted to make sure with them being a linen pant, you know, with the material, because it's not super duper stretchy. So I just want to make sure I had enough room. So I went up a size. Man, y'all definitely need to check out Bloom Cheek. Again, I'm telling y'all, they be coming through with the deals, girl. And they was really affordable, like I always say. All right, so the first pair of shoes I want to show off are these green sandals that I got from Shein. I thought they were so cute when I saw them on their site. Like, look at these. They got like the chain, little detail in the front. And I've been seeing they've been really in trend and in style this year, so I just decided to go ahead and cop them. But yeah, I got them in a size 43 because, you know, on their website, they go by the European sizes. So I got a 43, which is equivalent to like a 10, 11 size because y'all know I'm a tall girl. I love them. They're very comfortable. You know, they do what it do. And I wanted some pop of color just for the summer, so definitely caught these. So I got another pair that's similar to the green, but I got these from Charlotte Russe, and it's these nude gold buckle sandals as well. I got them in a size 10 from Charlotte Russe, and these are comfortable as well. They're super cute if you want like that just big gaudy kind of style, and they also match my earrings too. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you know they match. Period. But yes, I got these in the size 10 from Charlotte Russe. Again, I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Charlotte Russe because they be coming through with some of the deals, and I actually copped these on like a 3 for $20 deal, so I got like other sandals with them too. Yes, girl, I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to put these are actually the ones that I'm like super duper excited about wearing, and I've already worn them like a couple times. So, thick platform chunky sandals. First time I saw these, I thought Lizzie McGuire, because I remember back in the day she used to always wear sandals like these, and I used to always be like, yes, I love that vibe, I love that aesthetic. So I always call them like Lizzie McGuire sandals. Different colors, but black just stood out to me more. And they just, everything, they just fit the vibe, they just fit the aesthetic, you know. So I got them from Forever 21, and they're in a size 10, I believe. Kind of slick comfortable too, because at first people were saying like they kind of are uncomfortable because of the platforms being so high. But after I wore them for a while, I was like, you know what, they're not too bad. I think if I would have worn them longer, probably would have started hurting a little bit more. But I wore them for like a good hour, maybe hour and a half, and they weren't too bad. So definitely cop these if you want that kind of vibe. And again, Forever 21 online, be coming through with the deals as well, so you ain't paying too much out of pocket. And the last pair of shoes I want to show off are these cute pink Barbie heels. That's what I call them because they just remind me of the 90s Barbie heels. And I got these in a size 10 as well. Really comfortable. I actually wore them today. And they were pretty comfortable. They didn't hurt too much. I got these for Forever 21 as well. Definitely check out Forever 21 shoe department. Check their clothes department. Check every department Forever 21 because they just, again, come through. So I got 3 new bags I want to show off. So the first one is this cute little just square bag. I guess you could call it like crossbody bag. So yeah, I got this from Charlotte Russe, and I thought it was just cute to go with like any little aesthetic. I needed more little small purses because I see, again, they're in trend. And I like that they have this little lock in the front, and then when you open it, it's pretty small. I'm not gonna lie, the inside is mad small. If you're going to like an event that doesn't require a lot for you to carry, they do come in a clutch. And then they also come with like this keychain holder. So if I usually put my keys on the purse, on this little hook part, and it does the job. And then I also like that you could either wear it like this, or you can just drop one of them, and then it comes down longer, as you can see. So you have versatility with the bags. I like this one so much that I actually ended up getting another one in another color, in a pink. But they had a buy one get one free kind of thing, or buy one get one $1 or something like, or buy one get one half off or something like that going on Charlotte Russe, and it was for their bags. So I said, well, if I'm gonna get one, I gotta get the other, you know what I'm saying? Was this one. Yes, this is so cute. I was obsessed with this bag because it also goes with those sandals, you know what I'm saying? And I got this from Shein as well, and it has like this chain, you know, hook here, and then it has a crossbody as well, so if you want to wear it that way you can. And then let me unsnap it for you. This is the size of the bag. said before, I'm trying to get more color into my closet, so this definitely was one to, you know, add to the collection. Like it has like this grid effect. It's just really cute. It just stands out. It pops, you know, it gives the vibes. But yeah, y'all definitely check out Shein. Y'all know Shein always comes through. So all right guys, and that's the end of my haul. If you want me to come back with some more hauls in the future, y'all already know to share, you know, and do what you do, because it helps your girl out a lot. I'm trying to get back into posting more because I know you guys miss me and I miss you guys too, and I want to get definitely back into the routine again. So I'm pushing out a lot more content this summer. I'm gonna see a lot more Drea on this channel because I know I've been kind of MIA recently. So we gonna get back into it, okay? I say that sometimes and it don't happen, but I'm telling y'all, like the way this year is heading, y'all gonna see a girl. You gonna see me. You gonna see me, okay? So definitely, again, like I always say, stay chill. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and definitely subscribe down below. I would truly appreciate it. If you already haven't, definitely click that bell so you can know when I post, because again, why wouldn't you? Y'all should already know this by now. So I see y'all again on any given Sunday. Bye. In a size XL, yeah, XL. And then I offer last pair. Oh, let me till I grab the shoe. Okay, here we go. Let's try that. Okay.